Well. Good morning. Good morning. Is it morning? Normally I post in the afternoon, but you know what? Good morning slash afternoon. Um, yeah, so today I am doing this quick little video to show you guys my contact lenses. I got some contact lenses from Boulonguise company. They sent me there it is. They sent me 3 pairs of glasses. They sent me 3 pairs of contact lenses, and I just wanted to show you guys how they look like on me. I'm gonna show you guys, close-ups of how the contacts look like in the packaging, in the cases, and yeah. Another thing I didn't add was that when you take the contacts out of the box to put in the case, if you don't know what to do, the back of it, like right here inside the box, you can rip it open and it will have directions. Hold on. But if you open it up, there's writing telling you like the basic care of contacts. I wear glasses, guys, and my contact lenses are prescribed. So with this company, I was very excited because you can get your prescribed colored contacts with them, and they last depends on which one you get, but they can last from 6 months to a year. These ones were, I guess, cosmetic lenses, so they're a little bit blurry on me right now because they're not prescribed, but when I get the prescribed ones, definitely I will order some in this blue because I really like this blue. So the shipping was really quick. I actually did order some 2 more with my own money. I can show you guys on the screen, whatever, but yeah. So if you guys are interested in seeing the contacts, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. They're on the screen somewhere, and turn on my post notifications for when I post new videos. And yeah, let's get into the video now.
This is the case that they come with. Yeah, so they're not really that big and stuff, but they do the job. There's a label on them for your right and left eye, and I think they're really okay, they work. So, and this one is the Fresh Tone 2-tone amber, okay, and it's the Supernatural collection, and the color is kind of like a pinkish brown, and I'm excited about this one also. So yeah,
I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I put them in and how easy it is. Okay, so this is the contact right here. Takes 2 seconds, literally 2 seconds is what it takes. Take the contact, I do this, look up, that's it. That's literally all I do. Like, I will pull my eye right here, I'll look up, and I'll just apply it. Okay, so this one I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. I always put a lot of solution in my contact case, and this is the solution I use. I use the Equate Moisture Last, I guess this one. You guys see it? This one. I use this one, but I normally get the bigger bottle. But this is my travel size one, so I normally use this, and I never have any problem with it. But yeah, so this is, contact, no contact. Okay, it's pretty nice. It's like a nice like brown. I like it. It's like a rose brown. And I'm gonna apply the other one again. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to apply it. Make sure you clean your hands, like you wash your hands before putting anything. So this is a technique. You pull that down, you look up, and you blink a couple times just to make sure it moves. And because I have a lot of, you know, solution in my eye, it will act like it's watery, but it's just the solution. It's not my eyeball doing it. And that's it. Okay, so this is it. You know, when I'm talking from a distance, like I said, my camera is literally right there, and this is what they look like. They're very like natural. These ones I love, but my favorite ones are the blue. I have actually never done blue contacts before. This was my first time, and I actually like it. Whenever I try to get some type of like brown, like lighter brown, my eyes always end up looking gray or some shade of grayish green, and I don't know why, but these ones, they give me that brown that I wanted. So I like these, and they're super like romantic and dreamy looking, and these are my favorite ones so far, and they look super natural. Well, my favorite brown, like I actually found contacts that are actually browns with my eyes. So yeah, up close kind of, this is what they look like. They're very natural, they blend in really well, and I think that they're really like gorgeous. So you guys, you guys need them. I'm telling you, you guys need these. They're so soft. Like I don't know, I've never had such soft contacts before. Like
the second one I received is the Me-Tone Roomy Blue, and it's like a deep blue, and there's a ring around it that's a little darker blue, and I kind of really like this, but I have never tried blue contacts before, so I'm kind of excited about trying this and see how I look with it. Also, when you open them, they tell you, you know, when they expire and all of that. So there's this, yeah. So, and in the back, the contact is in it. So this is what the back looked like, and in the front, you know, it comes with this.
So right now I'm wearing the Roomy Blue, and they are very, you know, natural looking like this. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys. Like they're like a dark blue. Like I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but yeah, they're like, can you guys see it? Like up close, it's like, I don't know, it's not like a crazy blue, but it's still like nice and pretty and all of that. I like this one a lot. This is what they look like, and then up close, kind of, yeah, you know, they're very cute, and I actually really like these. These contacts are super soft and super comfortable. Like eyes did not get irritated, they did not get red, none of that. I just plopped it. It was super, like, it was way easier for me to, you know, put it on, if I'm making any sense. But I really enjoy these blue ones, and I think they're really gorgeous. What do you guys think? And this is my eyes before, and this is my eyes after. Do you guys see it? There's not really that much of a difference except a light tint of blue, and I feel like, yeah, right? Okay.
This one is the Me-Tone category, and the color is Pro Crystal. It's like a white with a gray in it. I am not sure. I think this one is the one that I am dreading the most. I feel like it's gonna look a little bit scary on me, but yeah.
I just put in the Pro Crystal ones on, and guys personally, I don't think I will ever feel comfortable going outside with these, and honestly I don't even think I would feel really comfortable wearing these in my home. So these are like, for my skin tone, I feel like they're very extra. They're like, I love dramatic things, but these are too dramatic. They do look natural in the way that they blend in with your eyes naturally, but it's not like a natural eye color to me. I feel like the people that do, you know, their makeup really extravagant, it would look nice with it maybe, but with me, I don't think I really like these that much. Like, honestly, I don't hate them, it's just I'm not comfortable going outside with them because they look so unrealistic. It's pretty scary, but I will save these because they would look really good for like my Halloween costume. If I wanted to cosplay like Storm or something, or anybody with like, you know, I really like these, so for that, but not to go out every single day, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is what they look like, you know, from afar. Okay, from up close, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like with my eye, and then I like comparing. So with my eye and with it, this is what it looks like. These are the 3 contacts I just showed you guys, and honestly, I 10 out of 10 recommend. Yeah, as you guys can see, like, I went back to my blue because these are my favorite right now. I don't know why, but yeah, these are my favorite. And I'm gonna leave all the links, the direct links to each of the contacts in my description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And they also have coupons that are like buy 1 get 1 free, or buy 2 get 3 free, or yeah, they're very like affordable, but they're very nice. Okay, so go check these out. And so yeah, that's all I have to say about these. The shipping was quick. They're really soft, and they have prescription contacts, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.